Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable always on display on this device. Simply go to the settings and tap on the option lock screen and AOD. Now here you can see the option always on display. Now in this device, the always on display is already enabled. Okay, tap on this one. Here we can easily customize our always on display. So if you want to show the lock screen wallpaper when always on display is enabled, then you need to turn on this one. If you want to show the now bar when the always on display is enabled, then you need to turn on this one. Okay, like that. So let me show you. You can see the always on display is enabled with the lock wallpaper. So simply in this way we can enable the always on display on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.